right, Jim Steam Clown here. So I wanted to just do a real quick update on ChatGPT and one of the things you can do with it. So ChatGPT, if you haven't heard of ChatGPT, it is a language uh, AI that basically is super good at guessing the next word in a conversation, but it actually doesn't know anything about the conversation. Um, so if you're interested in trying this out, you go to OpenAI, openai.com /blog /chat GPT, and you'll end up on a site where you can actually click on this link to try chat GPT. If you haven't uh, if you haven't ever used it, you'll need to register, but it's free. You just register for free. I would use a personal email address, set up a personal account, and do it that way. But when you do that, then you're going to land on a site like this where you can actually type a message. Here, I'm going to copy one that I did before. I'm going to start a new chat, and basically you can type in this field here and with whatever prompt or query. What I'm going to do is you can do any topic you want, but I'm going to do something like Linux. I'm going to say write the 10 topics a beginner Linux learner should know. Write a paragraph for each topic and create a study outline. All right. So this is like creating a lesson plan or anything, any kind of prompt you can put in there. And I'm going to say go, right? And this is going to go off and run, and it's going to say, all right, as a beginning learner, you should do these things, right? And it's going to basically give you an outline of 10 things that you should do to start your journey of learning Linux or learning dental or learning automotive or learning uh, some module that you're teaching, and and it's a really good way to generate these prompts, which you could then cut and paste, tweak them, always read them because sometimes the AI gets a little wonky and weird. Um, but you can generate lesson plans. You can generate quiz questions. You can generate all kinds of stuff with this, and so it's pretty good. And so to me, it's embrace this AI overlord because they're just going to get better and better and better and better. And we shouldn't say, "Oh my gosh, this is the end of education. Our students will just be using this to do whatever." Um, yes, they will. So let's help them. Let this be a tool for them to do stuff with. Um, for example, one of my students this morning was actually using ChatGPT during a break, and they were actually using it to generate the first version, the first draft of an email where they were asking for sponsors for some project that they were doing, and they were having ChatGPT. They gave it some criteria of what they were doing, why sponsors should sponsor them, and how sponsors could sponsor them, and then they asked ChatGPT to generate that information, and it spit out some really good templates of what an email like that should look like, saving them so much time and giving them a template, which then they went and tweaked and worked on and made better. Right? They're using ChatGPT as a co-pilot. So anyway, I'm going to shoot a few more videos on some very specific things like generating multiple choice questions or being able to summarize a block of text, different things like that. Anyway, hope this was helpful. Come ask me questions about ChatGPT. Bye.